Hello gardening friends, we planted the onions from sets on January 31st, so basically it's been exactly 3 months since we've planted them. Let's get over to the garden and take a look how they're doing. Okay, if you remember from the video I'll put up here in the card, you can come back and watch it if you hadn't seen the first one. But I planted these super close because my idea was to use the onions basically as soon as they started sprouting, and I actually have done that. So you can see in here where I've pulled some out because there's more space between the onions than there was before. So I thinned them out and used them for cooking, and so that left these in so these can grow bigger and stronger and have more room for their roots to grow. All right, so they're doing great. But you can see here, there's some that are a little closer together. So what I do to thin them out is I just grab one and I pull it back and forth carefully so that the roots will come out. There we go. So that's how they look when you pull them out. They're like I guess they call them a spring onion. That's definitely what they are, because it is spring and they are onions. So I like to pull the dirty and outer covering off and the roots here, and I like to just go ahead and pull that off and leave that in the garden to compost down into the soil. So there's another layer that looks like it's gonna be a little tough, so we'll pull that layer off as well. And we'll take this into the house to use it for cooking our eggs or making tacos or whatever we want to use it for. So easy to grow these sets. Let me know in the comments below how your square foot or your regular garden is growing this year. Have a blessed day. See you all again real soon.